Hi everyone, we are Carlos Luna and Jason Ang. This is the video for the final project for the IoT class. Um, for this project we have to do a smart home which is going to turn on and off a LED depending on the light conditions and temperature readings, also using a button to control the LED, and it's also being controlled through an HTML website. So our circuit it has a resistor with a light photocell, then a temperature sensor. This is our LED, and we also included a buzzer so that when the temperature goes after some reading, it will start a fire alarm. In the code we have the initial configuration. We have the ThinkSpeak information. We have the channel ID and the channel ID key, and also the talkback key and the talkback ID. In our loop we read the brightness, the temperature, and we also have the ThinkSpeak fields. We have in field 1 the brightness, field 2 the temperature, on field 3 we send on and off texts, and on field 4 we send 1 or 0 as a LED state. And at the end we also check the fetching from ThinkSpeak to know when the website is sending the commands or not. We have a function called the check button, which receives the interruption from the button. We have a function to turn on and off the LED, another function to do the check of the light to know when to turn on and off the LED depending to light conditions, and also we have a light calibration. So this is the system when it starts working. We're going to connect now with the serial console. The first thing we have to do is the light calibration, which is covering the sensor, and then we'll connect to the Wi-Fi, and once it is connected we will connect to the ThinkSpeak website, got the IP address, and then starts updating the channel. So the first we'll stop here. So we're sending this information. In field 1 we have the light conditions, that's the reading for the light conditions. In field 2 we send the temperature reading. Field 3 we send the on or off status as text, which is sent to the ThinkSpeak website. And then field 4 we send a 0 or 1, which is also sent to the ThinkSpeak website. So in the working circuit, if we cover the photocell, it's gonna turn on the LED, or off if the light condition is high enough, and also if we press the button it will turn on the LED or turn it off, and this condition will also be reflected in the website, in the fields that we send to the website.
So this is the part for the ThinkSpeak. The Arduino sends the information to ThinkSpeak by updating the channel. The first one is showing the brightness for the smart home. Second field is showing the temperature, and the third one is showing the LED status for the smart home. So if I cover the light sensor, the LED is turned on. Yeah, it will show that the brightness readings is dropping, is updated at the field 1 on ThinkSpeak. And then if I let the brightness be higher, the LED is turned off, and also for the button, if I press that, it will update the LED status to make it on, and then if I turn off the LED, it will also be updating the LED status. It takes some time. Yeah, so the LED status is updated now, which showing is off. Next, so I will show how we control from the HTML5 from the mobile device. So the HTML5 will have the brightness reading, the temperature reading, the LED status, and the LED control button. So the brightness currently is at a higher value. So if I cover the light sensor, it should update the brightness to represent the current brightness, which 682, which show a darker condition, and the LED is also turned on, and then for the LED control, so let me demonstrate to turn it on. Yep, the LED is on, and the LED status will then be updated. Yeah, so the LED status is updated now. Okay, I turn on the LED. The LED is on now, and it will turn on, will then update the LED status. Yeah, so the LED status is updated and is on now. So let me do the turn off the LED. So the LED is off now, and it updates the LED status to off, and I turn on the LED. The LED is on. And the LED status is on, it's updated. Let me demonstrate the temperature sensor. So currently I'm heating up the temperature sensor, and it should update the temperature on the ThinkSpeak. So we are heating up the temperature sensor. Yeah, so the temperature reading will be updated. It's updated to 80 Fahrenheit, and it's also updated on the mobile device as well. And we have the buzzer turning on, which acts as a fire alarm, and if we leave that the temperature will slowly drop back, and the alarm will be turned off.